everyone, and welcome back. My name is Jeffy, and this is my best friend, Android the Chihuahua. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to get rid of soda ash. I personally like to soap at cooler temperatures, so soda ash is something I experience regularly with my soaps. And guess what? I have found the secret, the number one secret to getting rid of your soda ash and making your bars just overall look 10 times more beautiful than they did previously. So before we begin, I just wanted to go over what soda ash was. Soda ash is a mix of the unsaponified lye with carbon dioxide in the air.
To prevent soda ash,
Spray it with 99% isopropyl alcohol, or you can cover your soap with just a board of some sort when you're done soaping. But if you're like me, you love soaping at cooler temperatures and you just enjoy leaving your soap out when you're done on the counter where it's at, you're gonna end up with soda ash. So this is my most recent bar. It's very, very beautiful. It's one of my favorite bars I've ever made. I think I'm gonna do a lot more of this design in the future. But as you guys can hopefully see, or maybe not given the lighting in this room, the colors behind those little bones, they're really what's the word? They're not very bright, and that's because they're covered in soda ash. The reason that the bones are so bright is because those were little soap embeds that I pre-made, and then I painted that with mica powder and alcohol. So those pieces didn't have a chance to get soda ash on it. It was just the wet soap around it that ended up with soda ash. So my magical little machine over here, I got it on Amazon. It was really cheap. It was less than $20. I will leave a link in the description down below if you want to get this, because this is a little lifesaver and it's so easy to use. It came with a little cup, so I'm just gonna fill this with water and then I'll show you guys how I fill this. All right, so this little top piece just pops right off, and then down in there is where we're gonna be pouring our water. And it even comes with a max fill line so that you know when to stop filling. All right, now I just gotta get this back on. This is the bar before we do anything to it. You can see that white cloudy layer at the top. Those colors were perfect and vibrant when I first poured this, but now they just look a little bit dull. All right, I got my little machine plugged in and I'm just gonna turn it on. This takes about a minute to heat up, and you'll know it's ready when it's ready because steam will just come rushing out of this end. You can tell it's ready to go because those bubbles are going absolutely crazy in there, and you can also see the steam coming out of here in real life. I don't think you can see it very well on the camera, but like I said, in real life it just looks like a cloud coming out. So I'm just going to start at one side and steam all the way down this, and I'm going to go over it a couple times until the colors start to become a lot darker. After running over this a few times with our steamer, all of the colors look really bright and beautiful again. I'm really glad that we're able to do this because it just looks so much nicer. And I also really love how the top of those bars gets really shiny after you steam them. It really is just the perfect finishing touch to these bars. Our bar looks amazing. Our Instagram is Jeffy and Chihuahua. And we'll be posting the cut of this beautiful soap bar tomorrow, so if you're interested, definitely check that out. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. It is a 100% free way that you can help us grow our channel. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!